The most common reason your Galaxy S25 shows it's connected to Wi-Fi but has no internet is because the router itself has lost its internet connection. Even though your phone stays linked to Wi-Fi, if the router isn't online, your Galaxy S25 won't be able to browse, stream, or use online apps. Other possible causes include airplane mode accidentally being left on, corrupted or outdated Wi-Fi settings on your phone, or Bluetooth interference disrupting your wireless connection. In this video, you'll learn 4 reliable fixes to restore your internet connection on the Galaxy S25. So follow along and you'll be back online without frustration. The first thing you need to do is restart your phone and your router. This clears out temporary glitches on both ends. To restart your phone, press and hold the power key and volume down key together, then tap restart. For the router, unplug it from power for at least 5 seconds, plug it back in, and wait until the connection is fully restored. Once both devices are back on, test your internet connection. If the issue continues, make sure airplane mode is disabled. Sometimes toggling it on and off refreshes all wireless connections at once. To do this, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap airplane mode to turn it on. Wait a few seconds, and then tap it again to turn it off. Test your Wi-Fi after this step. Next, forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. To check on that, open Settings, tap Connections, then Wi-Fi. Tap the settings icon next to your current network and select Forget. Afterward, reconnect by selecting the same network and entering your password. This clears corrupted network data and reestablishes a fresh connection. Finally, if nothing else works, reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This restores them to default without deleting your personal data. To perform this, open Settings, scroll down, and tap General Management. Tap Reset, then select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and confirm your choice. Once done, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and test again. These 4 solutions should be enough to fix the connected but no internet issue on your Galaxy S25. But if the problem continues, don't hesitate to contact your internet service provider or a Samsung service center for more help. If this video helped you fix your Galaxy S25, please give it a like or watch another video to learn more ways to solve common Wi-Fi issues.